Isa sa mga high-valued skills na pwede mong i-offer ay ang web design and development. You can offer this to any business and become a professional web designer, or isa ka bang virtual assistant and gusto mong mag-level up ng skills? Then this course is for you. Sa course na to, ituturo ko from scratch kung paano gumawa ng website, and take note, hindi lang basta-basta website, but a website with a complicated design structure so you can build any website you want. We will explore how to set up our own server, pumili ng domain at i-connect ang name server. We will explore WordPress dashboard, plugins, layout structures, global properties, and more. And the best part of this, we will build this beautiful design from Figma from scratch without using any codes. Ma-access mo ang course na to from a learning management dashboard, and you can learn at your own pace. This course has almost 8 hours of video lessons, and sigurado ako, pag natapos mo to, magiging confident ka in taking any WordPress website project from scratch na hindi nagre-rely sa themes that are very limited at hindi gumagamit ng codes.